All right, so got the pulley here, which was halfway on the pump, if you remember. I'm assuming because it was a long pump and this is a short pump car, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I ran this part number and it comes back as 82 vet. So that would be a long pump car anyway. But I have no idea why it was routed the way it was routed. This is the pulley that came with our pulley set for short pump, which for this model year, it should be a keyed small shaft power steering pump. This is an NOS pump I bought for somebody at some point in time. It's been sitting here for quite a few years now, but it's for a short pump, keyed. Now, the depth between these two, when you put them side by side on the back side, is the same. So, I'm going to just give this a little bath, try to press it on all the way, and hope it actually lines up with something. And then we will go from there. Pulley fun time. Or not. Anyway, we put the old pulley back on and actually pressed it on all the way because someone was trying to make it work.
I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Leave me out of it.
No, the $15 an hour ass clown was dealing with it. So it fits. It's on. It's square with number 3 on our crank. So that's going to fly. So coming up next, we're going to finally measure.